Good evening, guys. In this video, I'm gonna show you after returning annotation, this advice type, okay? Let's go back to our ID. We'll show some code. First thing is, how about we create a new method here, which returns some values. Public string get name, how about that? Okay. And we will return name is Miss Xing. Okay, so we are gonna have another aspect which is after returning. Okay, public void log after returning. Okay, and here if you want to have a join point, you can have a join point. If you don't want, it's fine. And after returning. And for this one, how about we do the target, which is execute. We have to do something different. Okay, you can using argument that what's the thing? You can using argument that designator, point card designator, or you can using You can using the execution. And what is this? Returning point card. Okay. Point cut equals, here you put your execution. Okay, we will give O and dot, and we have returning, which is give any argument you want here, like my name. Okay, and here you have to have a return string my name, which is hold this value, okay, returned by the get a name, this one, get a name, okay, and these two names must match, okay, and the system out returned value, and here we will have my name, okay, and next one I want to change is, how about here I comment this one? How about I comment those? Then we have clear, okay. And I uncomment this one, okay. Customer service, and here I will call customer service dot now do something get name. Okay. Do I have a get name here? I only add here. I have to declare in our interface, right? Have to declare in our interface. Okay, and here in my app I can have a get name. I think this time I can have a get name. Okay, so let's run. You will see log after execution. Okay, this log after execution is done by this one, because get name is also inside the customer service, right? You have this print out, and you have a return value print out, which is return the value, and this name is what the name when I call it, right? Sorry, when I returned this one, return the name. So you will see it here. But you cannot change the values to be returned. Whatever in the app, whatever you return the value here, return the name, it's gonna be the actual target method returned. See here, you cannot change it, but if we use around, you can change the actual value returned here. Okay, you can see they are exactly the same. Okay, so that's it for after returning and how to retrieve the returned value from the target method. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.